Welcome to the Meyersdal Nature Estate, set in the hills on the border of Alberton and Johannesburg, where you will find this upmarket and exclusive private residential estate.
We have 267 residences, displaying various styles of architecture, guaranteeing something to suit the needs of even the most discerning buyer. If you're not looking for a freestanding home, then there are 235 sectional title units.
No matter your preference of home, Meyersdal Nature Estate can accommodate your family.
Within 800 meters of any home in the estate, you have the tranquility of our dedicated nature area. Complementing the larger game, 127 bird species, 28 reptile and 5 fish species have been recorded. Meyersdal Nature Estate is not just a place we choose to do business.
It's the place we chose to make our home.
Deal with people you know.